Well, I took up golf a little late in life. I got a set of clubs from my sweet wife. She said, "You've been spending too much time at home." Me and some good old buddies of mine headed to the links for the very first time, and I discovered the greatest sport I've ever known. But it's a lot like fishing without the lake. You get up early and you stay out late. Take everything you own and toss it on the cart. Ice chest, cold beer, pork rinds too. Golf clubs, golf balls, tees and shoes. Then you're off down the fairway chasing that little white ball. Cow pasture pool, learning all the rules. Red stakes hazards, white stakes out of bounds. Well, I'm hitting 5